Hey guys, let's talk trig functions like sine, cosine, and tangent. One of the first things we're supposed to do when we start memorizing these or start working with these is we are to memorize them. We need to know that the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. The cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And the tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So these are fancy names, but they're really just instructing us. When we see sine, that is a way to instruct us to just compare the opposite side of a triangle with the hypotenuse. At least that's one way to think about sine. And cosine is just a fancy name for, hey, I want you to compare the adjacent side in a triangle to the hypotenuse, and so forth and so on. But anyway, it's not simple to memorize these, especially when you first start working with them. Some teachers have talked about an imaginary Indian princess named Sokotoa. In the modern climate that we're in, it's probably not even appropriate to use something like an Indian princess like that to talk about. But my trouble hasn't been that so much as like I know, because I know these, I'm able to spell the name. The names never really helped me do the trig functions. So I've come up with an alternative, and I think you could too. And here's mine. Sam only has cash at home. Tangerines, oranges, apples. Now I realize that is a nonsensical sentence or statement, which just makes it more memorable to me. So Sam only has, S-O-H, so sine opposite over hypotenuse. Sam only has cash at home, tangerines, oranges, and apples. You could come up with your own sentence. Maybe you could do better than that, or you feel free to use mine. Trust me, it's so stupid that it sticks in your brain. See ya.